Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this short video, I'm going to discuss with you how to insert slides, how to delete slides, and how to create a duplicate slides in PowerPoint. So stay tuned and watch till the end. First of all, if I want to create a new slide, I will right click and now I'll select new slide. You can see new slide has been added. We can add the new slide. You can see the option in the home tab. There is a new slide. If I click on its top part, it will create a new slide. And if I click on its bottom part, you can see I can change the layout of the new slide. If I want to have a new slide with different layout, for example, if you want to have just title only, this layout, if I click on this, and you can see this slide is different to the prior slides. And now I will tell you the shortcut key for creating new slide. Shortcut key is Control M. If you press Control M, you can see a new slide has been added. Now move to the second part. How can I delete the slide? For example, if I want to delete this slide, what I will do, either I can simply press delete from the keyboard, it will delete slide for me, or I can right click on it and you can see there is a delete slide option. If I delete on it, so this slide has been deleted. Now move to the last part. If I want to create a duplicate slide, if I want to have a same slide like this one, I will right click on this and then press duplicate slide option. A same slide has been added under this slide. So this is the way you can insert slide, delete slide, and the duplicate slide. I hope you like this video. Must like this video and must mention in comment. And if you want to watch more videos, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel. So I'll see you guys in next video.